Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greens and Beans. Today in this video I'm going to prepare a very popular Samyang ramen noodles, and today I have with me their hot chicken and cheese flavor. So the price of this pack is Rs 130 and the total content of this is 140 grams. So first let's see the content of the packet. So here you have the noodles. Then they have provided you a packet of cheese powder, and then they have a packet of chicken flavored hot sauce. Let me add here that this one packet is only enough for one adult, and if you consider the price, then you may say that this is a bit on the costlier side. Okay, so now let's come back to the process of making the ramen. So I have always seen ramen noodles being served with poached eggs or boiled eggs. So here first I will poach 2 eggs and keep aside. Then in the same pan, I will add 600 ml of water and bring it to boil. Then I'll add the noodles and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. When it is cooked, I will strain the noodles and keep it in a separate bowl, and with the noodles, I will add 6 to 7 tablespoons of the water in which the noodles were boiled. I will discard the rest of the water, and then I will again add the noodles in the same pan, and first I will add the chicken hot sauce. If you are intolerant to too much spice, then do not add the whole sauce, because even if it is a cheese-based ramen, it still is quite hot and spicy. So after adding the sauce, toss it for a few minutes and then lastly add the cheese powder and mix well. I have served it with poached eggs, and trust me guys, this ramen tastes really delicious, but let me tell you that this is definitely quite spicy, so keep that in mind. I hope you liked today's video. Please subscribe to my channel for more such contents, and I'll meet you again in my next video very soon. Till then, you take good care of yourself. Bye.